Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you've joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this magic kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts...
Hi folks, please keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside of the train at all times.
Was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in mine that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. Then wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible.
Once again, folks, please keep your feet inside of the train at all times.
Folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland.
Uncle Ty called, and I texted him, I was like, it's Disney on the tree. I'm like, he said, yeah, we're just here in the nice store. Well, you guys have fun. Like, oh, sorry. My mistake.
Now, if you're more the rootin' tootin' type, then partner, saddle up, because this here's Frontierland. Home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We call it Big Thunder. Catch a ride on its runaway trains and you'll see why. On a more musical note, just ahead, Princess Tiana is striking up the band for the big party. She made me promise to tell you, you're invited. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight and hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. If you disembark, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before it fully. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
As we're rolling into Frontierland, please continue to remain fully seated and completely aboard the train. Once I have stated the 2 words of all clear, that will let you know that it is safe to disembark. But until I have stated those 2 words, please continue to remain...
Brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. There it is, Big Thunder Mountain. Now, normally, folks around here have a one-track mine for gold, but mining seems to have been derailed. They've been working on...
Hi folks, make sure we have our feet fully inside of the train. That's going to be the green bars to your right. Thank you.
It's all gone. New bells and whistles. Scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise.
Please make sure your feet are inside of the train, the green bars.
Here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic... Listen. Hear that?
There it is. It's
It's not a snake. It's a train.
Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow!
Oh, we really must find some stronger thread.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of Castle Spire.
Please make sure everyone is seated, including children.
Are in fantasy.
If we have a little one standing, please make sure they are sitting in a lap.
Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're coming down the track and heading straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to soar with Dumbo, or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers over.
After pulling into Fantasyland, please continue to remain fully seated and completely aboard the train. Please do not attempt to stand up or disembark until I have stated the 2 words of all clear. Once again, for your safety, please do not stand up. Please do not disembark until you have heard the 2 words of all clear. Remain fully seated on the train, folks. We are still moving. You are all clear. Welcome to Fantasyland Storybook Circus, your gateway to the...
Competition is fierce and fast. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory.
Nothing sucks. And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland. Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station, after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
Alrighty, folks, as we arrive within the station, please remain fully seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. You will only be able to stand up and exit the train after I've said the 2 words all clear and to hear a single whistle from that train engine. Until then, remain fully seated and not stand or exit the train. Remain seated, please. Do not stand. Remain seated.